Hello and welcome back. In this video, we want to solve these problems using substitution method. A lot of students are only having problems with substitution method. Seems like elimination method is quite simple, but in subsequent video, I'm going to do with elimination method and also that of the Cramer's rule. But in this video, let's use substitution method to approach this problem. And of course, if you've not watched the uh, problem that led to this, please check this particular video. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video so that you can just watch it and see how it connects to this. All right, so what do we need to do using substitution method? In substitution method, you need to make x or y either in equation 3 or equation 6 the subject of the formula. And if you make any of them the subject of the formula, what you need to do is then you make your substitution. That's where the name comes in. So let's take it bit by bit. So what we're having here is x minus, let's take down the equation, 3y, x minus 3y equal to 3, and we still have x. What's the next one we have there? Minus 2y equal to 9. X minus 2y equal to 9. Please, let's confirm if the problems are exactly what we have there. All right, it's the same. So let's use this new page to solve this problem. Keep in mind that this is equation 3 and this is equation 6. All right, from equation 3, I would like for us to make x the subject of the formula. And if you do that, you just have to move this minus 3y to the right hand side and it will change to positive. So you have 3 plus 3y. This is equation 7. Let's make it equation 7. So we've been able to make x the subject of the formula from equation 3. Keep in mind that all what we have in here is just for equation 3. We've not linked it up with equation 6. So now to link this to equation 6, we have to substitute the value of x in equation 7 to x in equation 6. That's where I want to bridge them together. So that means, what I mean is that wherever you see x here in equation 6, just use all these stuff that belongs to this x in equation 7 and replace it here. That's the substitution I'm talking about. So you just make a little statement, substitute. This is a short form of writing substitution. Substitute equation 7 into equation 6. That's substituting x in equation 7 into x in equation 6. So anywhere I see x in equation 6, I will replace it with this 3 plus 3y. That's the representation I've done already. Of course, we have minus 2y there and equal to 9. This is where I linked the two equations together. Of course, 3y minus 2y will definitely give you just y. So we have 3 plus y equals 9. And to collect like terms, y is a variable that I'm looking for. So to get this y, I have to pull this number we're having here that's within the boundary conditions of this y. I'll have to pull it down to the right hand side. And to do that, I'll subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. Therefore, I will have y to be equal to 9 minus 3. And therefore, y will be equal to 6. So we've gotten the value of y to be 6. How do we get the value of x? Is simply to substitute the value of this y into any of the equation, but I'll choose equation 7 because x is already balanced. We can easily get x from this point. So you just substitute the value of y into anywhere you see y in equation 7, and that's all. You get the answer. So what do? We substitute y equal to 6 into y in equation 7. What is equation 7? X equal to 3 plus 3y. So wherever I see y, I'll substitute 6. So x now will be equal to 3 plus 3 into 6. And of course, this result will be 3 plus 3 multiplies by 6. That will give 18. And what is 3 plus 18? Simple, it's 21. So therefore, x is equal to 21. it means that the value of x is 21 and that of y is 6. So how do you know if this is correct? To know if this answer is correct is to plug in the value of x and y into either equation 3 or equation 6. So when the left hand side is giving you the right hand side, it means you're correct. So what is equation 3? Equation 3 is x minus 3y equal to 3. We are just checking for extraneosity. So the value of x here is 21 minus 3 times, what is the value of y? 6. So we want to see if this will give us 3. 21 minus 3 times 6, that is 18, and 21 minus 18 is simply 3. It means this is the right solution to this problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video, and make sure to comment if you found it helpful. I'll see you when I see you.